Now 365 update where we pop into the Microsoft Admin Center and pull out useful updates for you. In the video, I give you a short rundown, but on our weekly newsletter, you can find something that looks a little bit like this that's going to give you the full version of what I'm talking about today. So today, I'm going to be talking about how Microsoft is adding support for loop components in Teams channels, which means that the collaborative loop components that you love from the Teams chats are going to start coming right into your channels. With loop components, users can create, share, and edit components to collaborate synchronously and asynchronously on ideas without leaving the context of their conversation. So now you can copy and paste loop components between channels, chats, Outlook emails, and other supported Microsoft 365 apps. This update is going to automatically roll out, so you have nothing to do for it. And to prepare for this change, you might want to consider to start updating your training and your documentation, so that way your employees know what's going to be happening within their Microsoft 365. Loop components allow you to collaborate right inside of a chat message in Microsoft Teams. They're built for collaboration, and everyone in your chat can edit them all at the same time and see the changes at the same time. They're saved automatically to your OneDrive, which means that you can find them from your office.com in addition to Teams. The possibilities for you to collaborate with your team members are completely endless, and components are easily shared and always reflected with the latest changes, so that way no one's missing out on anything. Loop components can be compiled into paragraphs, tables, checklists, all sorts of things that everyone can edit and review instantly. You can collaborate with chat members right inside of your messages by just minimizing the need for using chat threads. Loop components are also going to offer a new way to think, plan, and create together. To make the most of this brand new feature that's going to be rolling out, you're going to want to explore some of the common uses for loop components. So for example, there's co-authoring, which uses loop components to wordsmith into a presentation. There's brainstorming, where you can ask others to share their ideas, whether you're looking for names for a new product or topics to discuss on your next meeting. There's compiling data, which is going to send out a table component with clearly labeled columns and rows to your team. And then in each cell, you'll be able to describe the data that you need, and you can mention someone, so that way that specific person can provide the details that you're looking for. There's also going to be managing products or projects, and the task list component is going to offer a super lightweight and easy way to assign work and due dates to people on your team. That way nothing is falling through the cracks. And then lastly, there's going to be focusing on a discussion, which is going to allow you to use component as a mini breakout room, so that way you have a place to focus on single topics while in the main chat thread. But all of these things are going to be able to pop up in your Teams and in your Microsoft 365 apps. That way you can look at one thing while someone else is looking at something else, and everything's going to be combining instantly. Loop components are just one of the many elements in Microsoft Loop that are really beneficial to our work processes and how we get things done efficiently. If you guys want to learn more about this, definitely pop into the Admin Center or just type it into Microsoft Bing, and I'm sure something will definitely pop up. I hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.